morning, student. You all are welcome in the classes of data manipulation and analysis. In today's lesson, we learn some more features in workbook. There are some different kinds of features like filtering. What is a filter? First of all, filter means from bunch of data, you have to find out some specific data with some condition, without condition as well. So let us learn what is filter and how it is applied in your workbook. Now we have to perform filtering operation in this student marksheet worksheet. First of all, filtering operation is performed by over here. In home tab, there is a filter option available like this filter. Yes, there are two types of filter are there, auto filter and advanced filter. Now, first of all, we learn only auto filter. So, filtering means from example over here, there are a number of students, roll numbers, grade, result, all the data available. From that data, I have to display only the students who are failed. I have to display the students who got the first class. I have to display the students who roll number is 5. So this kind of queries performed by filtering operation. The queries like display only those students who get first class, display only those students who are failed, display only those students who are passed, display the roll number 5, display roll number 6, like that. So this kind of queries performed by using filtering operation. Filtering means from the bunch of data or from the lots of data, you have to find out some specific data. So that is a filtering operation. So let us learn filter. From the student marksheet, first of all, you have to select the data, means range. So you have to select this whole table. Always select the whole table for filtering operation. So first of all, I select this whole table and click over here. Filtering option are available from home tab and it is also available in data tab over here. Filter, advanced filter. This is auto filter, this is advanced filter. Two types of filters are there. So from over here, I can click. It is also possible from over here. So click over here, just filter. When I click on the filter operation, it will just look like this down arrow key on all the column. ये जो सारी कॉलम है उसके हेडर पे मुझे ये डाउन एरो की दिख रही है. यस, सी ओवर हियर क्लियरली अब सबको दिखाई दे रहा होगा. नाउ फ्रॉम दिस यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट सम कंडीशन which you have to perform on this table. So first of all, I can perform filtering operation on this result column. So in this result column, I want to display the students who are failed. So from over here, I can select, I can click over here. When I click over here, it will show me some condition. Sorting by color, then filters operations are there and there are a number of options are over here. 3 checkbox are there. Select all. अगर मैं select all पे क्लिक करूंगी तो सब डेटा आएंगे, वापस क्लिक करूंगी तो निकल जाएंगे. क्या मुझे चाहिए? I want to display only the students who are failed. So I just click over here and click on OK. So it displays the data like this. The students who are failed. Now what you have to do in your exam, there is a question like that, they display the students who are failed practically. So what you have to do, you got the answer like this and just copy this data like this and you have to paste it in some different sheet like this. For example, this is my question number 1. So write down the question number 1 and then paste the data. you have to paste that data. So from over here I can paste my data like this. So this is the answer of my first question. Why? Because over here you can again click to select all operation, because when you can use auto filter it will display only the selected data. वापस उसको आपको सारे data देखने हैं, then select all operation can perform and OK. So it will display all the data. Same way the second question is like that. Display the students who got distinction. Display the students who got distinction. So what I have to do? First of all, you just click over here. So filtering operation यहाँ से निकल जाएगा. And the question is like that. Display the students who got distinction. So what I have to do? I can just select the whole table and click over here the filter operation. Then distinction आपको कहाँ से मिलेगा? From this grade. So you can select this grade option, and from over here you can remove this select all choice and select only distinction. Then OK. So it will display the distinction data. Then what you have to do? You can just copy it and आपने जो यहाँ पे सारे आंसर्स लिखे हैं वहाँ पे इसको भी पेस्ट कर दो. Yes, this is for example, this is my question 2, like that. Fine. Again you can display all, select all and OK. So it will display all the data. Same way, if I want to display the roll number 10, roll number 4 and roll number 3 record. So just click over here, then select all, remove कर दो, then roll number 10, roll number 6, roll number 3, like that. Multiple choices are possible, so that's why you can select 3 records and click on OK. So it will display 3, 6 and 10. From that, from this 3 record, I want to display only the first class students. So after the first filtration, you can apply the filtration on this and display only first class like this, like that. So are you getting? You can perform 2 different kinds of operation, filtering operation in that. After what you have to do, you can just select all from over here, and then from the roll number you can select all the data. So you can display all the record as it is. Then again you can click on the filter like that. Fine. Now next I want to display only those students who get more than 60%. Who get more than 60%. So what I have to do? I have to select this all the table and select this option filter. Then percentage more than 60. So what I have to do? I have to perform the filtering on this percentage column. Just click over here percentage, and from over here you can select 61. तो 61 ही select होगा. From over here you can select 65. तो 65 ही select होगा. But it's not like that. I have to display more than 60. So what you have to do? You have to apply the condition from this number filter. Number filter greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to 60. You can write the 60 and click OK. So it will display greater than or equal to 60 records. Are you getting? Yes. If you want to remove the filter, just click over here, select all and OK. So it will display all the data. Again, if I want to display those students who got less than 25 marks in CS or in IC, anything. So what you have to do? You have to apply the filter on the particular subject. For example, on IC. So click over here and remove this, and then select the number format, number filter, and less than less than 25 and click on OK. So in IC, the particular rule number 8 student name is Sneha got less than 25 marks. Again you can select this and select all and click on OK. Fine all of you. I hope you understand this auto filter. Same way, this auto filter apply on another table, that is for product table. So over here, I want to display only those products whose quantity is more than 20. Whose quantity is more than 20. So first of all, you have to select the table, whole table, and click the data menu and filter. Then select this quantity, and quantity is more than, select all, पहले से निकाल दो, and quantity is more than 20. So select a greater than or equal to 20. Okay. So it will display like that. Fine all of you. Same way, quantity more than 20 and price more than 5,000, like that. The product whose quantity is more than 20 and price is more than 5,000. So after applying the filter on quantity, the next filter is applied in price. So select this price and apply the filter, and like greater than or equal to 5,000 on price. Click on OK. So it will display the quantity is more than 20 and price is more than 5,000, like that. First filter किस पे अप्लाई किया था वहां से रिमूव करना है. So first quantity, select all, then price, select all. So like that you can display all the data as it is. So are you getting this? Same way, the next is I want to display the product name like mouse or keyboard only. So what I have to do? I can just apply the filter on product name, select this. From over here you can select mouse, you can select keyboard. This option is available from your table. So if you want to display exact value, then you can select the option from over here. But less than, greater than or numerical operation कोई perform करना है, so from over here you can select it. Click in OK, like that. Fine all of you. Again select all. Now you can apply, select all. Okay. Now you can apply some text filtering operation, like I want to display only those products whose product name is starting with H. वो प्रोडक्ट डिस्प्ले करो जिसका नाम H से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू कैन जस्ट क्लिक ओवर हियर एंड अप्लाई. सिलेक्ट ऑल पे क्लिक करो एंड अप्लाई टेक्स्ट फिल्टर. व्हाट इज इट्स बिगिन विथ, इट्स बिगिन विथ व्हाट, बिगिन विथ H. क्लिक ऑन ओके. सो इट विल डिस्प्ले हार्ड डिस्क हेडफोन, like that. So in the filtering operation there is equal. That means अगर मुझे मैंने यहाँ पे equal लिखा, equal to mouse, so it will display only mouse. If select all रखो, okay. Text filter में और भी है does not equal. So for example does not equal keyboard, तो keyboard के अलावा बाकी सारे डिस्प्ले होंगे. Same way next filter you can apply like that. Begin with, that means some begin with H, M for example, then click on OK. So M से start हुआ record display हुआ. Same way select all, and next is end with. For example I want to display sub record whose product name is end with R. So end with में आप लिख लो R. तो जो R से एंड होता है वो डिस्प्ले होगा. सेम वे वाई ऑल टाइम आई सिलेक्ट ऑल ऑप्शन, बिकॉज अगर मैंने एक फिल्टरिंग किया उसके ऊपर वापस फिल्टरिंग करूंगी तो वो डेटा जितना फिल्टर अप्लाई हुआ है उतना ही डिस्प्ले होगा. सारे डेटा में से रिकॉर्ड नहीं डिस्प्ले होंगे. दैट्स व्हाई Then select this contain, does not contain और custom filter. So contain that means कि आपको कौन सी डेटा चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ से आपको चाहिए पेन ड्राइव, so you can click pen drive. Same way it is equal, not equal. So after that does not contain, yes, fine. और custom filter हम advanced filter के साथ सीखेंगे. Fine. So like that you can display the records or data depends on your requirement. This is the filtration. Now same like text filter, you can apply this numerical filter. The value is equal to, for example, the value is equal to 500. So it will display the record only like 500. Same way, next is number filter does not equal to, for example, does not equal 500. Click on OK. So 500 के अलावा सारे record display हुए. Same way, the next greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, fine, then between. For example, I can write the values between 500 to 5000 या 1500, 500 to 1500 and click OK. So 500 और 1500 के बीच में जितने भी है between 500 and 1500 वो ही record display हुए. So like that you can display this between operation. Same way after the number format between top 10. अगर मेरे पास ज्यादा records है like marksheet में top 10 दिखाते हैं, ठीक है. So वही I can use this number format and top 10. तो पहले 10 record display होंगे. हमारे पास 10 ही है, that's why इतने ही रहेंगे. Then select all. सो टॉप 10 रिकॉर्ड भी अगर ज्यादा है तो टॉप 10 रिकॉर्ड डिस्प्ले कर सकते हैं. अबोव एवरेज, बिलो एवरेज. अगर अबोव एवरेज पर्टिकुलर जो आईसी की जितनी एवरेज है उसके ऊपर जा रहा है तो वो रिकॉर्ड डिस्प्ले हुआ. देन सिलेक्ट ऑल. इफ परसेंटेज में बिलो एवरेज करेंगे तो जितने एवरेज है उसके नीचे जा रहा है वो डिस्प्ले होगा. So like that you can apply this auto filter in this workbook. So the auto filter के अंदर क्या होगा, when you apply auto filter तो आपके जो डेटा है उसमें ही चेंजेस होते जाएंगे. तो आपको हर बार आपके डेटा को सिलेक्ट ऑल करके ऑल डेटा डिस्प्ले करते रहना पड़ेगा. एक बार फिल्टरिंग अप्लाई किया तो आपके जो ओरिजिनल डेटा है उसके अंदर ही चेंजेस होता है in this auto filter. So fine all of you. I hope you understand this auto filter. In the next session, we learn advanced filter. Okay, bye.